Today's video is on the top 3 best wheelchair ramps. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Fachnuo Portable Wheelchair Ramp. Looking for an easy way to get over steps or doorways with a wheelchair, scooter, or walker? The 2-foot wheelchair ramp is the perfect solution for your needs. With its foldable design, it's highly portable and easy to store. When unfolded, it measures 24 inches by 29.2 inches by 2 inches, giving you plenty of space to create a smooth, gentle incline for easy access. When folded, it shrinks to a manageable size of 24 inches by 13.2 inches by 3.2 inches, so you can easily store it away or carry it with you wherever you go. Whether you need to get over a small curb or a set of stairs, this ramp accommodates height adjustments from 2 to 6 inches, providing flexibility to meet different needs. Plus, it can support up to 800 pounds, making it strong enough for a variety of mobility devices. Before purchasing, it's important to check the size guide to make sure it's the right fit for your needs. It's also worth noting that while the ramp may sink slightly during use, it rebounds quickly, ensuring a reliable and stable surface. Safety is a top priority with this ramp. It comes with upgraded baffles and reflective strips to improve visibility, especially in low light or nighttime conditions. These features help prevent accidents and ensure that the ramp is easy to spot from a distance. The extended guide rails at both ends of the ramp are designed to prevent falls, adding another layer of security. Whether you're using it at home or out and about, this ramp offers peace of mind, making it perfect for anyone who needs a little extra help when navigating steps or uneven surfaces. The added safety features ensure that your transition between surfaces is as smooth and safe as possible. Worried about slipping? No need. The non-slip aluminum surface provides excellent traction, ensuring a secure and stable grip. Whether you're using it on home steps, stairs, or doorways, this ramp stays in place, offering confidence with every use. Built to handle everyday wear and tear, this ramp is made from high-quality aluminum and features a corrosion-resistant stainless steel hinge. It's strong enough for indoor and outdoor use, making it a durable and long-lasting choice. Need to take it on the go? No problem. The lightweight foldable design includes a built-in carrying handle, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're looking for a temporary ramp over stairs or a permanent accessibility solution, this ramp is a dependable option for your mobility needs. Click subscribe like you're racing to the top of a ramp in the fastest wheelchair around. Number 2, best overall. VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp. Finding the right wheelchair ramp can make all the difference when it comes to safety and accessibility. This 4-foot wheelchair ramp is designed for step heights between 4 inches and 12 inches, making it a practical choice for home entryways, garages, and even vehicle access. Before purchasing, be sure to check the buyer's guide to ensure you select the right size for your steps. Keep in mind that it's normal for the ramp to sink slightly during use, but it will quickly rebound to its original shape. Also, remember not to exceed the maximum weight limit of 600 pounds to ensure safe and long-lasting use. This ramp is designed for extra stability and security, and it includes a double non-skid surface to prevent slips. The aluminum surface is not only durable but is also designed with folds to increase friction, helping the ramp stay in place during use. To further enhance safety, the ramp is covered with a non-skid layer, providing double protection against slipping, even in wet conditions. For a firm and reliable installation, you can easily fix the ramp to a wooden platform using the included screws. This ensures that the ramp stays securely in place while being used, reducing the risk of shifting or movement. When it comes to portability, the 4-foot wheelchair ramp stands out as a highly convenient option. Made from advanced aluminum material, it combines lightweight construction with incredible strength, making it easy to carry and store without sacrificing durability. This means you can move the ramp as needed, whether it's for use at different locations or to transport it for travel. The newly upgraded handle is designed for comfort, allowing for a firm grip that prevents hand scratches, so you can carry it with ease and confidence. The ability to fold the ramp also means it can be stored in small spaces, whether in your car or a closet, making it an ideal choice for both permanent and temporary use. Safety is a top priority, and this ramp is built with stainless steel hinges that are corrosion and rust resistant for long-term durability. Side baffles and reflective warning stickers provide added security, helping prevent accidental falls. The transition plates at the top and bottom of the ramp ensure a smooth connection to the ground, creating a seamless and stable incline. This versatile wheelchair ramp is perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you need to navigate home entryways, garage steps, or vehicle access, it offers a simple solution for wheelchairs, scooters, strollers, unloading trolleys, and even pet ramps. With its sturdy build and thoughtful design, it's a reliable choice for making everyday mobility easier and safer. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Easy Access Suitcase Portable Singlefold Ramp. Looking to boost your mobility and make everyday life a little easier? This portable ramp is here to help. With its single-fold design, it's a breeze to use and gives you quick, easy access to spaces that might otherwise be out of reach. Whether you're using a scooter or wheelchair, this ramp is the perfect addition to your mobility tools. Its user-friendly design is what truly sets it apart. Some ramps can be bulky, hard to handle, or require tools to set up, but this one is built for convenience. The single-fold mechanism allows you to open and close it in seconds, making it a practical addition to your mobility aids. Whether you're using it at home in public spaces or while traveling, this ramp makes getting around smoother and less stressful. It's an ideal solution for anyone looking to regain independence and move without barriers. What makes this ramp stand out is how it transforms access to different spaces. Many places still have barriers that make mobility challenging, but this ramp helps bridge the gap. Whether you need a way to get into a building, load your mobility device into a vehicle, or safely roll over small steps, it provides a reliable and sturdy solution. With this ramp, you can turn previously inaccessible areas into places you can confidently enter and exit without assistance. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for mobility and independence. Durability is a key feature of this ramp. Built with a continuous hinge and a slip-resistant tread, it ensures maximum stability and traction. Uneven surfaces, wet conditions, or slight inclines won't be a problem because the non-slip surface keeps your wheels steady as you move. The solid construction provides strength and reliability, holding up to 800 pounds without compromising safety. Whether you're using a lightweight scooter or a heavy-duty wheelchair, this ramp is built to support your needs and give you confidence with every use. The ramp also comes in versatile lengths, ranging from 2 to 8 feet, allowing you to pick the right size for your specific needs. With dimensions of 48 by 30 by 2.4 inches and a weight of just 23 pounds, it's easy to transport without compromising on strength or support. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.